Hi. Now I would like to know about your product and what did you like about the organizer, and are you for the first time or the second repetition? Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
So we are a brand named Dory Not Dory. We sell everything crochet, right from flowers, bags, earrings, keychains, anything. We make it in crochet. This is our second time with WeConnect, and the first time was so good that we had to do it again. I think what has been great for us is the kind of encouragement that we've received, from the organizers themselves. They've been encouraging us to put our products not only in the exhibition but even outside of the exhibition. They've been sending us ideas, contacts. It's been great. And even at the exhibition, not only the organizers, even the customers that come in have been so encouraging of our work. It's something that takes a lot of time and effort. So to see people appreciate that has been very rewarding for us. So it has been a great experience.
So you have been organizing exhibitions at different places too. So
Yes.
what do you find the difference between our WeConnect and the other organizers?
Exactly, the support. The support not only at the exhibition but even back end. Even before the exhibition, I think our flyers start going out long ago and we've received inquiries even before we come to exhibitions, which is not something we've experienced with exhibitions in the past. So the kind of network that you all have is very strong and it's very supportive.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. Now we would like to show your products.
Sure.
These are the sunflowers. This is a tradition work which they are, reviving. We are very happy to have them here. Last time they had won the prize for the unique product and revival of the different kinds of kitchens and all. And she is the person who is making it. Ma'am, your good name?
My name is Pushkala Sriram.
And how long are you doing in this, ma'am?
Now I have been doing this for the past 4 years.
Okay, great. So we are very glad that you are getting this back to us. We are not aware of these things, the traditions and the work. See
Your,
this.
your canvassing before exhibition is superb. We know that when we go here, we will have lot of customers coming. So this is our second time, and hope it works as good and more better than the first time.
And after the exhibitions also you've got inquiries from the customers?
Absolutely, yeah. Yes.
That is very important because exhibition is something which we are exhibiting the product. But that trust is built when person comes and physically sees the products.
Correct.
So that is the reason I organize exhibitions so that you get a personal connection. And important is after that, customers should come. That is very important. One day sale is not important because that is just one day shop. But afterwards, that is what is my forte. I feel later on also I keep on connecting people. They call me for the connects. I keep on sharing. So this is what I am very happy you've been getting it. So I am very blessed to have you.
Thank you so much.
These are the roses. Beautiful roses. So instead of giving those bouquets which just go one in a day or two, these are which are permanent. You all can go for this. These are the bags. Thank you, ma'am, for having again joining us. Yes, thank you, dear.
Thank you so